Austin, back up. Austin, don't jump. No. Uh-oh.
Hey, you little boy's ready?
Go on in, Co. Go on in, Co. Coey, look who it is. Oh, excuse me.
Here, Co, I'll come sit
Hi,
right
Co.
next to you. What? Can you tell Santa you want Thomas? Do you say Thomas?
You like Thomas the Train?
No, I like dinosaurs.
He likes Thomas the Train. And his friends like Percy or Gordon or Geese.
Oh, he knows, Coey.
Did you hear that, Co?
He knows.
You like dinosaurs.
Austin, you gonna tell him what you want for Christmas?
Dinosaurs. What else have you done?
Tell him.
Did you
Okay.
ask him for a pillow pet?
All right.
Okay.
Tell him to have a good night then.
Tell him Merry
There you go,
Christmas.
so I won't forget you. You gotta be a good boy if you want me to bring presents.
What do you say?
Say Merry
Cody,
Christmas
you want one?
and say thank you. All right.
Say Merry Christmas, Austin.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Good job, Austin. You want to get the door, Holly?